Remember all this? When we used to cut the trees with axes or chainsaws? Well, here's the new technology now. You can't cut the trees by using laser light. Yes, you heard that right. This genius technology can save many workers' life. You've probably always seen trees being cut down using tools, right? But these days, that's no longer necessary. Why? Because now there's a machine that can cut trees using lasers without even touching them, ensuring safety for the workers as well. This laser machine can easily cut down trees or branches effortlessly. It's a totally mind-blowing piece of technology.